On the way to building a dream house, there is no need of mention of any kind of operation that a lower middle class will face. In a couple of consecutive videos, we will discuss step by steps towards building a house. This video is the first step, soil cutting of land for prospected house. Hello friends, welcome to hobbiesanddreams.com. If the subscribe button is still red, press it and don't forget to like, comment, share also. Where are you building a dream house? It's a vital factor that it is lowland or highland. At first, it is necessary to say that if the land is not converted from the lowland to the high ground, then the house building clearance certificate will not be available. For this reason, we need to go to local BLRO. When land conversion is done, if you are from the Panchayat area in the village Panchayat office, and if you are from the municipality area, permission will be required to build the house from the concerned municipality. Of course, there are some costs to be incurred for this. The next step is cutting work on the soil where the structure column for building will be started. If the land has already been elevated, then it must be cut into as whole. There is no other alternative. But if the land is not filled yet, what to do? Will you fill it, then dig it, or dig it down on lowland, then build the column up to a minimum level of the tie beam, and after columns building up to tie beam or plinth level, you can fill the field. The second method is probably correct because you do not have to spend time and money more than once on a job. Just say smart work away from the hard work. Besides, you will find a solid base on lower ground. When the soil cutting is done in the field, the hole should be filled with the white sand. Then it will be filled with water. After that, the brick layer should be spreaded over the white sand. According to the plan, a net made by rod for the base foundation should be placed over the brick layer for PCC, and in the middle of the PCC, structure column will rise. The white sand under the brick layer and PCC will give a springing effect to your building structure, which will protect your dream home from an unwanted earthquake. In this case, one thing can be remembered: some rings that are made with iron rods will required, but the question is, will you buy that whole rod, cut it, make it bend, or ready-made rings that are available in the store nowadays, take it home for use? In the second method, it is possible to avoid the slightest waste that can be occurred during cutting and bending. Also, liquids are also available nowadays, so that you can protect your dream house from the impact of weather salinity. This may be kept ready along with other materials needed for your home building. will be the next step towards building a house from the next video in this series. So keep in touch. Thanks. Friends, see you again on our next video. Thanks. Friends, see you again on our next video. Thanks.